We have a program of a soldering bit machine. It is a sequence operation in which 3 outputs are for forward direction and 3 outputs are for reverse direction. This is a simple logic which has been developed for a Selec PLC. Directly we will simulate it. The hardware is already connected with the software. If you see here the Selec, this is a programming for the Selec PLC. We just show you how this program is working. As the HMI start button is already pressed, now we give the pulse to the input and the set points for output forward direction and reverse direction has been already set through the HMI. Now we are going to give the pulse. You can see the pulse has been given and output has been generated QX2. Again we are giving the pulse. Now this second output has been operated QX3. Once we go down, after giving the pulse, the forward direction output has been de-energized and reverse direction output has been energized. You see here QX4 and QX5 are energized now. Again I am going to give the pulse. Second output has been operated. Third output has been operated. This is the last counter. Now once this counter counts its all the pulses, the sequence will stop. All the outputs, if you see here, are now de-energized. You can start the logic from HMI by pressing button F2 for 3 seconds continuously. The logic will start again. This is a simple logic. Hope you will know you got something new in this logic and you can program your Selec PLC. Simply you can stop it, and if you want to see the HMI logic, you can go to HMI. Here we have created 7 screens. First screen will tell you to press F2 for 3 seconds. Second screen will tell you to enter the value for counter 1. Similarly, third screen, fourth screen, fifth screen, sixth screen and seventh screen. From second to seventh screen, it will tell you to enter the value in the counter from 1 to 6. So this is a simple logic which you can make for a soldering bit machine. Thank you.